Hi everyone, welcome to the video. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a confident and adventurous makeup look for enhancing blue eyes. So let's go ahead and begin. The first thing that you're going to do is take the eyeshadow in the shade called Hush Hush, and this is going to be your base shade. So you're going to go ahead and apply this all over your lids, starting from the base of your lashes, and go ahead and apply that all the way up to your brow bones. The next eyeshadow that you're going to be using is in the shade called Sandcastle, and you're going to go ahead and apply this all over your eyelids. And what I actually did is I took a little brush and I got it just a little bit damp in applying this because it just enhances the shimmer and shine in this eyeshadow, which gives your eyes a really beautiful glowy look, which I love. Next, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Earth Girl and go ahead and apply this on your eyelids as well, focusing on the outer corners of the eyes and work your way in because you want it to be darkest on the outer corner and it gets lighter as it gets on the inner corners of your eyes. And then you're also going to blend this color into your crease as well. Next, take the eyeshadow in the shade called Chocolate Martini and go ahead and apply that with a damp angled eyeliner brush. And then take your finger and smudge that out. And I went ahead and I applied this to both the upper and the lower lash lines. Now to really give your eyes a really bold and dramatic look, take the eyeliner pencil in the shade called Black and go ahead and line your upper and lower waterlines. I did focus the eyeliner on the outer corners of the eyes because I do like to give my eyes a little bit of a more round shape. So if you focus more on the outer corners and don't go all the way in, it'll help make your eyes look more wide and open instead of shut and closed in. So that's just a quick little tip there. And to finish off the eyes, go ahead and apply the Lash Project mascara. I did about 4 coats of this because I really wanted the lashes to be very nice and fluffy and full and bold. Moving on to the lips. So there are several different ways that you could go about doing your lips. I think one great way to do it would just be to do a nude so that your eyes really stand out. But I wanted to take my favorite bold lipstick shade called Firecracker, and I went ahead and I applied this. The reason that I like this shade for blue eyes is that the orange-ish color here, I don't know, it does something for blue eyes. I really like this color for that. So I went ahead and I applied a bold lip color today, and it's one of my favorites. I really like it for enhancing my eye color. So anyway, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. But until next time, take care. Bye.